Ta-da! Isn't that amazing, huh? I can even put it in my ear like this, and then, see that? Boom.
That kind of weird.
It really hurts. Yeah, I can even eat it. All right. And then I can pull it out of my ear like that.
Oh.
Ta-da! Isn't that great? The challenge is to snip it like that and then pull it out of your ear. Right. Isn't that amazing? Magic. Whoa.
Magic. Can you make a real bird? A real bird inside
a real bird
inside your pocket.
No, give me a second. Let me go catch a bird real quick.
Another one.
I'll show you right now. Let me quickly just catch a bird. Chip, 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 chip. If a bird comes close, I'll catch it and then I'll be like, ta-da! Oh, I can do the next best thing. You want to see a bird?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Right. Right. It's a bird nonetheless. Yeah. Hello, birdie. I see you.
It's okay.
Right. Nice. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. We'll keep my bird here. What do you want to give his name? What's his name?
Maybe name Emily.
Emily. Huh?
Yeah.
Emily.